Here we have our pot of water, and you can see I have the flame on. So we have water, and we have our measuring cups and our macaroni. So I've already measured out 3 cups of macaroni, and I didn't take the milk out yet because I don't want the milk to get too warm. But we're going to wait for the pot of water to boil. So when we see bubbles, that means the water is boiling. While we wait for the water to boil, Callie is going to cut the cheese into cubes. So she is slicing the cheese with a knife. She's being very careful with her knife. She's cutting them into strips, and then she's going to cut them into cubes. And that way they will melt easier when in the macaroni after it cooks in the water. All those bubbles mean our water is boiling. So Callie is going to carefully pour the pasta into the boiling water. She's very careful not to splash any water on herself and not to get too close to the fire. Pour it all. There you go. Great job, Callie. Now that all of our macaroni is in, we're going to set this timer for 7 minutes because that's how long the box says it should take. About 7 minutes to cook our pasta. And there we go. Our pasta is cooking and our timer is about to go off. So that means it will be time to drain our pasta in our colander.
Looks good.
So we're going to pour our pasta to drain all of the water out.
Doesn't it look good?
That's a lot of pasta. Okay. Now we're going to add our cheese to the macaroni. She's being very careful not to get too close to the hot pot. Now it's time to stir the cheese into the macaroni so that it melts. Callie's going to pour the milk in. She's going to be very careful not to spill. You pour the milk in, and then we're going to stir the milk into the cheese. You can see we got a bigger pot because we had to make a double batch of pasta because we're going to share with my neighbors.
All of it?
The last thing that we're going to do is we're going to add some sugar into our mac and cheese. Now, not everybody adds sugar, but our family does. That's good. And then we mix it up really good. And then we'll get ready to serve it. Now it's ready to eat. So we're going to spoon it into the bowl.
Oh my gosh.
And how does it taste, Callie? It's a little hot, so she's going to blow on it.
That's good.
It's so good.
Oh my gosh.
Now our dinner is done.